Hello and Jai Hind and welcome to MyCodeTips. Okay, in today's video we'll see a topic that is called typecasting. Hence typecasting. So here two words. One is type, one is casting. Type means your data type. Casting means you can say that changes the attributes, you can say that change the type name or data types. Interchanging means from, if you are using a data type of integer, then you want to change it to the string variable. Then if you are using a character, then you want to change it to the integer type, or if you are using integer, then it will float, double, long variables. So this is called the typecasting. Okay, so basic means typecasting is a process to convert variables from one data type to another data type. Just I say that it's the conversion between the data types from one type to data type. The basic syntax is your basic syntax is your within bracket, that is type name and variable. Simple. Okay, variable or your whatever your variable taken, so that is the procedure. So how it happens? Let's suppose integer value x value is equal to 5. Okay, so I want to print this one, ns log x. So how will print? Percentage d there. Okay, it will print the x value. Okay, but it will print the value as integer. If I want to print this one as a string, then it will throw a warning message that it's not typecast. Look at this, format specifies that id, but the argument has integer type, and it will crashed. Application is crashed. Okay, format specifies that id, but the argument has type integer. Then how will convert that one? Suppose in a string str value is equal to okay. No. In string parameter, it will it's a procedure of ns string with format. This one. Okay, so that is the actual procedure. Percentage d done. Okay, now it will, now you can use this one. Got it? Look at this. Type is printed as a string, not integer. This one printed as a string, but this will print as a integer. Look at this. Okay, first one is print as a string. Typecast string. Typecast int. Okay, simple. Typecast is string and below one is a typecast is integer. So this is the actual method to typecasting from one data type to another data type. One more thing is that it's this is the you can say that completely string is a complete different data type, integer is different data type, but if I try to convert it it's a float. Okay, float x, then let's print that float value, that is y, and to print the float value it uses %f. Okay, this is the OT. So let's see. Done. Look at this. First typecast is float 5.0. Float value it's a decimal up to 6 digit. Okay, then another one is string, and the last one is integer. It's integer, it's a string itself. So this is the typecasting between your different data types. Okay, so in this process you can typecast your data types. Hope this piece of code will help you to solve some issues. Okay, thank you. See you in next video. Bye.